Alright, so we're going to look a little bit at creating programs in eLumen. So again, I'm starting as a department coordinator and I'm in the sandbox department. And I'm going to go to org management, which is short for organization management. And the programs are actually a little bit hidden. So you have to come over to profile. And then down here under your department profile, it lists all the programs that they offer. Now, most of the time you'll find that your program is already listed in here, but you may need to edit it. So, for example, here I have my program, and you'll notice that there's two things here. There's the course group and the PSLO class. So if you haven't already made a course group, I encourage you to go back, look at the video for making a course group, because you'll need a group that contains all of the courses in your program before you can make a program. The other thing that you'll need to make sure happens is that there's a PSLO class for your program, and this actually has to be done by a data steward. And so the Learning Assessment Committee are all data stewards, and so if you contact them, they can help you get that set up. So I'm going to add my new program. Just create a new program like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to edit this. And here I'm just going to put the name. This is a description so that people know what this is. And over here, I want to indicate what type of degree. So in this case, this is a certificate. And it's inactive because it hasn't gotten through CNI, something like that. So eventually I'll want to make it active. So I'm going to save this. And now this is where you're going to come back and click on Link Course Group. And you'll have needed to already have set this up. So I'm going to come in and look at a group that's associated with this department, so it's easier to find. So let's do test group. All right, and now that's linked to this program. So whatever courses are in that group are now associated with that program. And you can actually associate more than one group. So this might be useful if you have some core courses and then you also want to add a general education component or something like that. So you could add another group. All right, and then here I need to link the PSLO class. And this is something, as I mentioned, that if these aren't available to you, if you don't have one for your degree, you'll need to contact the Learning Assessment Committee so we can get that set up for you. Okay, so I've linked the PSLOs, and that is basically setting up a program. And once you've set up a program, it's actually kind of nice. You can just click on this mapping helper here, and it will take you to the curriculum mapper. So in this case, this will list for my program the outcomes. So in this case, there's only one program outcome. And then for the different course groups, I can come in and I can talk about how each of these outcomes build or don't build to the program outcome. So we'll talk about these alignment maps a little bit more in the next video. But when you create a program, then you can always come to the mapping helper and it'll take you straight to this map.